Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Chams and you are watching Best Rules. Today's video will be about learning Tunisian dialect. In today's video, as requested by one of our subscribers, we'll start a series of videos teaching Tunisian vocabulary, and this will be the first episode. Without further ado, let's jump directly into the video. Okay, the first word in my list is Karaba. In Tunisian we call Karaba. Karaba. It's a bit different than Arabic language. Let's give one fast example. I drive my car. نسوق في كرهبتي. Or عجبتني كرهبة. I liked one car. Okay, the second word in my list is Asfour. Asfour in Tunisian means bird. Okay, let's give fast example as well. Okay, see that bird. شوف العصفور محلاه. See that nice bird. شوف هذاك العصفور محلاه. If you saw some nice bird and you'd like to show it to someone, you can say in Tunisian شوف العصفور محلاه. See that nice bird. The third word in my today's list is Valedia. Valedia in Tunisians mean municipality. There where you will need to make your marriage paper, your Tunisian boyfriend or Tunisian girlfriend. And if we give one example, هيا نمشي للبلدية, let's go to the municipality. And of course you know why. The fourth word in my list is dar. Dar in Tunisian means house. You can say as well villa, same like English, villa. For one example, شريت dar. I bought one house. The fifth word in my list is portable or telephone. It means mobile phone. In Tunisian we say telephone or portable to say about smartphone. And one example, give me your mobile. وريني تليفونك. أعطيني تليفونك. وريني means show me your mobile. The seventh word in my list is تلفزة. تلفزة means TV. You can say one example, حل التلفزة, open the TV. The word number 8 in my list is posta. Posta means post office. One example, هيا نمشيو للبوسطة. Let's go to the post office. The word number 9 in my list is Felicia. Felicia means travel bag. One example, حضر فليشتك, prepare your bag, we are traveling. حضر فليشتك, مسافرين. Prepare your bag, we are traveling. The last word in our today's video will be Banca. It's very close to English. It means, of course, bank. هاي نمشيو للبنكة. Let's go to the bank. And that's about it for today's video. If you'd like to see more videos like this and more videos about learning Tunisian vocabulary, kindly let us know in the comment section down below, and please give this video a like. This will help us a lot to rank up and to give more time and to produce more and more videos for you. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye, and let's see you in the next one. Ciao.